She's a DJ.
Why don't you register yourself, Baba? She went.
Go
down
register
and
yourself.
after
Go,
the
Zoe.
registration,
Zoe, come on, register yourself. अरे चल नहीं देखने के पैसे नहीं लग रहे अच्छा जो.
रजिस्टर के पैसे दो।
It's just a band that I'm giving.
अच्छा तो बैंड कहाँ से मिलेगा?
तो उस बैंड ही तो पहनना था.
तो मेरे को बताया तुमने?
I know you don't love me like you say you do. I don't care. Tell me the truth. I'm still in love. I know you don't love me like you say you do. I don't care. Tell me the truth. I'm still.
So this is Hudson Lane where we are. Just at my back is the entrance for Virgin Wolf Cafe. What about, let's check out what's happening inside. Let's go. Let's have a look what DJ is playing here. What's up people, welcome back to this vlog. Today we are at Virgin Wolf Cafe. No, we are not partying, but at the moment we are here actually to witness a painting competition. Art exhibition, yeah. It's an art exhibition. Bogart Saab is the DJ for the day. DJ bro. So we have just entered the event. This is the place. What a beautiful place it is, and I'll just show you some beautiful paintings. But right now with me is the painter. Her name is Chahat, and she has painted some beautiful is the word. She's beautiful. She paints beautifully, and she's gonna tell us what the event is all about.
I've been painting ever since. Like my parents tell me that when I was little, there was a mandir kind of thing in my house. So I used to go up there and I used to draw architectural drawings. I used to sit there for 6 hours, 7 hours after school, and I used to just draw.
Oh wow!
So this was when I was in a state of mind where my family was a little skeptical about my studies because I failed medical entrance thrice.
Yeah.
This is a bride who's wanting to break all the norms of the society. So she's having a smoke, she's having a joint. She's dark, she's lovely, she doesn't have much jewelry. That is Sapna for me.
Oh,
So
Sapna.
this is what I dream of.
Wow.
Because this is Tahira Kashyap. She's a cancer survivor.
Oh.
You see this wound here?
Yeah.
This painting is called Zak. I wanted to show people how beautiful you emerge when you have a wound. Your wounds can be beautiful. If not many people know, she's Ayushmann Khurrana's wife.
Oh. Okay.
And this is Maya. Maya is imagination. She's not real. She likes black roses. She's wild. She doesn't comb. She doesn't care. And that's how exactly I was in that phase.
Okay, that
because
phase of
I
life.
hadn't combed
Yeah.
in 5 days. I hadn't picked up my phone for something, and all the darkness that was there it just came out on paper. That's why this is so dark.
Darkness actually looks beautiful. Sometimes.
This is Jhalli. Okay?
Jhalli.
This is based on one of my friends, actually. Should I call her?
Yeah. Sure.
It's
Hi
Jhalli.
Jelly.
Hi.
What's up?
So this was for her.
Okay.
This is when I kept her in mind. She doesn't know how to cook.
Okay.
She doesn't know how to maintain herself.
Okay.
She's apparently a fashion blogger. So
Life's amazing,
she's
right?
she loves
Jelly
fashion.
who became a fashion blogger. It's a different story altogether.
If I start explaining this painting,
Yeah.
I think I would cry because
I wouldn't want
all of these, this is Jesus Christ divided into his phases of life.
Okay.
So Rang is actually about racism.
Okay.
When I made this, I was in a hostel and 2-3 girls came up to me and said, why did you color this? Why did you put this brown color in her? And I was like,
Yeah, I can
exactly why I am drawing this.
Yeah.
These are my
Masterpiece, yeah?
apparently. Okay.
Okay.
This is the closed door that we're talking about, Band Darwaza. And then what happens behind the closed door, we don't know. But I think we do.
We do.
So this is what
Raz.
happens behind the closed door. Yes.
Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want. Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want. Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want.
Oh, so people have started together here at this place, and oh, this place is rocking. I am so amazed after watching her paintings. I mean, these paintings have so deep meanings. We never thought about it that way. I mean, these things have so deep meanings. I mean, this one, Maya. Wow, man.
For me, her art is really special because she is really spontaneous. She does not do her research for like months.
Okay.
If she feels like drawing on the day, she draws it.
Basically, it's all about the art she feels.
Yeah, she feels. She draws it down. I mean, how beautifully, man.
Some arts actually confuse you whether she's drawn it or not. The specific vanity one. Because that actually keeps you in that ambiguous situation whether this is actually drawn by her or not. Actually, as of now, I have put all of these original works on sale.
So people who are watching this vlog, how do they buy these
Yeah,
paintings if they
so
want to?
what you can do is go on my Instagram page. That is called Drawing is Peace.
Drawing space. Okay, I'll take
Space.
it.
People can go there and they can choose whatever. They can just DM me, comment on whichever picture they like,
Okay.
and you see all this.
Yeah,
I think
okay.
it will be delivered to their places.
Correct. So right now there's a painting competition which is going on. People are painting their painting and they're competing in a kind of competition. It's a friendly competition, but yeah, it involves some competition. Have you seen the art gallery?
एक तो ही देखी थी तो मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिखाई ये हॉट लग रही है
तेरा ध्यान अश्लीलता की तरफ क्यों?
मैं अश्लील हूँ भाई
वैसे तेरी फेवरेट मुझे पता है कौन सी हो सकती है भाई।
ये भी देख
ये भी अश्लील है?
वो लग रही है ये seducing
ये भाई लड़का है लड़की है और ये
friend with benefits
So you can come here Virgin Wolf if you want to meet Zoe, DJ Zoe. कौन से गाने सबसे ज्यादा प्ले होते हैं किस टाइप? पंजाबी डीजे है लड़के अपनी ठेठ
और सूफी पहले है
सूफी पहले है
लास्ट में
सूफी में कौन सा हाईटेक एक होता है?
हाईटेक नहीं सुना तुमने
मतलब सुना मैंने जरूर पर नाम से
वाले
नहीं
जो होते हैं हाईटेक धम 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 धम
पता। शी इज अ नॉटी डीजे। बैंड तो तेरे हाथ से निकल रहा है भाई।
ये देखना
मोटी है ना तू भी?
तोड़ दूंगी
Even he's painting for the company.
Actually, I also have a channel.
You have a channel? Room full of artists.
I do vlogging on food and basically I do vlogging on restaurants, street food, streets and all. Like
Wow,
Delhi
so
food
you're a
only.
vlogger, man.
So it's like Delhi.
Bye. Also, right now with me is Saiba, who actually from Jalli became a fashion blogger. So what is that journey, Jalli?
back in 2016 I decided that I should try something which is according to my profession and which what I love.
Okay.
So I love styling people and the people who have less confidence in them, who cannot just carry them easily. I wanted to be a help to them.
Okay, so you basically motivate the people who are a bit healthy and who can follow what you do,
Yeah.
and they can look even better. Do you have something for men?
Yeah, I do have something for men. Yeah, I do
Wow.
have.
I'll need a lot of your help because you know fashion is something which is really it's a difficult thing.
Yeah, I think you look great. Yeah.
ये मैंने मेहनत की ना बहुत। these people are still painting their paintings, their thoughts, their emotions. They're painting it on the canvas or the sheets. This is going lovely. This was a beautiful event which I witnessed. And if you are a painting lover, you can buy one of the paintings from Chahat. Painting is an art. It's one of the most beautiful art. In this art, you need to convey your emotions, your feelings, your life through a picture on a canvas. So this is what painting is all about. So this was it from today's vlog. If you feel what I can.
This is a paradise.
नॉर्मल लोग भी आ सकते हैं कैफेज में ऐसे अगर एग्जीबिशंस वगैरह कुछ इवेंट चलती है आ सकते हैं नॉर्मल लोग ही होते हैं सारे डिफरेंट होते व्हाट्स डिफरेंट अबाउट योर कैफे डिफरेंट दिख तो रहा है डिफरेंट हर कैफे में नहीं होता बाकी कैफेओं में क्या क्या ऐसा नहीं मिलता जो इस कैफे में मिलता है एक्चुअली यू डू नॉट हैव पूल एनीवेयर प्लांट्स एक्चुअली यू डोंट हैव और ये हिमाचल का माहौल है भाई ऐसा हिमाचल में ही मिलता है सर्दी गर्मी दोनों का एहसास है हमारे पास पूल भी है बॉनफायर भी है वो आपका मन करे आगे करो